Hi there, students. A hierarchy, a countable noun. We could have hierarchical as an adjective, hierarchically as the adverb as well. So let's see, a hierarchy, it's a system where things or people or animals are arranged according to their importance. So, for example, chickens have a very clearly defined social hierarchy. The top of the hierarchy is the single rooster, and then you have the hens, and the hens have different statuses, ranging from the most important to the least important, the pecking order, who pecks who. So I think chickens have quite a complex social hierarchy. Okay, so in our society we have hierarchy. For example, look at politics. We have definitely a hierarchy in politics. You have the Prime Minister, then you have the ministers. Yeah, they're not the Prime Minister, they're just ministers. And then you have members of Parliament, and then maybe you have local politicians, the mayor or something like that, and then local councillors. So we've got this political hierarchy. Okay, we can also use this word, the hierarchy, if we talk of it as a group, talking about the top people in a group, the leaders or the rulers of an organization, the people who control it. So the hierarchy in our society tell us what we must and mustn't do. Okay, so you can either use it as this system in which things are put in levels or ranks according to how important they are. Or we could say the hierarchy, the rulers, the people at the top, the people in charge. Okay, so for example, the military is a very hierarchical organization. Yeah, you've got the commander-in-chief, or you even got the king or the queen as number one, the commander-in-chief, the generals, the colonels. Yeah, it's classified in different levels of importance. A hierarchy, it's splitting things into how important they are. It's like a ranking. The more votes you get, the higher you are in the hierarchy, I would guess. So let's see, a hierarchy, a ranking, a social order. It's a class system, the different strata of a society. Yeah, so I think in all human societies there is a hierarchy. Somebody is at the top and somebody is at the bottom. It would be much better if we had a horizontal society where nobody was more important than the other. But well, it normally ends up that some are more equal than others. Okay, so a hierarchy. Yeah, the ranking in according to status or authority. So the upper echelons of a hierarchical society. Yeah, companies are normally organized hierarchically. Yeah, in a hierarchical manner. You can also perhaps organize something like biology or science. I'm thinking of the different classes of, you've got species, genera, families, orders, classes, phyla. Yeah, this is in taxonomy, and they become more specific as they go down, and the top of a hierarchical system like that talks about the most general things. Okay, so hierarchy, formality. I think I would probably give it 6.5. I think you can use it anywhere, but definitely on the more formal side. And then as to origin, this one comes from Greek, from hierarchical, yeah, or hierarchia. Let's see. We've got the two words here, hieros, meaning holy, and archeo, to rule. So the holy people rule. Yeah, the holier you are, the closer you are to God, the higher up the hierarchy you are. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hierarchy.